Hello everyone, it's Glent and you're on my channel. Today, together with you guys, we will become creators of our own planet. However, our planet won't be round. And cubic, you go out and see how he breathes. Puzzle. Note, it's not so simple. We have a cube, not bloody. We will publish 10 different options on this cube, and they are extremely strange. For example, there are bones, water, a ball, some 3 things. Yeah, little things, a plate with milk, a person, fire, a spring, a pipe, and a bucket. This all looks very strange, and since it's a puzzle, I suggest we solve it together. Just so you know, guys, I'll say right answers immediately. We have them, but I don't want to use them yet. I just want to try to create this land cube correctly. Take a look at the unclear. It's all made up of some small cubes. It all turns into a big cube. The game is called Grow Cube, but you won't find it easily. Seriously, don't even try. You'll end up with a lot of viruses on your computer. Better just watch this video. And of course, we should give a like for the viruses on the computer. Guys, seriously, I've downloaded a lot of viruses. Give me likes and we can start. Okay, what can we analyze? The first thing that should appear on the planet would seem to be a human, but no, I think like our planet, water should appear first because it contains all sorts of living organisms. Billions of years pass by, evolves into a crocodile, then into a monkey, and then into a human, so we add water first. Yeah, we got water not on top, but here on the right, so water won't help much. Start it yourself now. I feel that this video is going to be intense. This puzzle is driving me crazy. The water appeared not even there. I was planning to place it elsewhere, but okay, there's no choice. Let's move on after the water. Okay, let's keep moving. According to my logic, after water, fire should appear. Oh, fire has already appeared on the surface ID. To be honest, I don't even know, but we can already put a human apparatus here, like fire. Oh, the person must identify. Great, he's jumping, happy, already starting to dig something. He leveled up. Well, wait, dude, why are you so fast? The guy dug himself such a well, and he got access to water is very good, but pay attention to the fire. It's like, you know, not for him at all. It doesn't affect him at all. Okay, then let's add these things. I don't know what they are. We scattered them. The whole map at level 2. A second person appeared and started digging. 2 guys are digging something intensely. I don't get it. They let the water flow and now everything is green. All right, let's move on. Not bad. I understand we just gave these people food and now they started to reproduce. Now look, there is fire. A place to warm up. There's water, there's food, and now we need to... I suspect fun, you know? We need a feast so people have something to wake up for. Let's add them this little ball and... I don't get it. The ball fell, we leveled up, and now people at 3rd level started digging hard, and now it became... 3 people on our planet. They are digging something very hard, but it seems like I've done something wrong and my puzzle will be unsolvable. The ball should have fallen somewhere. I'll see... Because it rolled away. It's nonsense. Listen, since they dig so well, let's give them some bones. Kostya, as I understand, appears to the ground, and now there's a level up. Trees are growing. They keep digging. Now there are 4 people. 1 climbs a tree, falls, and gets a concussion. For something. The rest continue to dig something up. And what did we get? We created the river ourselves. We built the bridge there ourselves. Fire. Completely ignored. Sanfree. The fire spread, the trees grew, people made some kind of staircase down. There's a cave here, and if you look here, pay attention. Attention, Kostya, but she is still, which does not matter at all. Let's add a plate. Why? Well, because there's fire we can cook. And basically, it's already real. It's as if they put a gigantic dish on the frame. Level up. People have started to move slowly from below. A dragon's head appeared. Wait, stop. Listen. Something's happening. They're digging something up. I can't understand the logic. It's a puzzle. Yes, it's serious. They aren't using the dish or the fire either. The dish and the fire should be used in my opinion. In the end, because now they're useless. Now we have 3 options to choose from. There's a spring, a bucket, and a... Oh, yeah... Thank you, no... Pipe! Well, let's add a bucket. I don't know why or where, but it was placed next to it. With fire! Alright, we are leveling up. Okay. Plates. Some kind of hole appears. Dude climbed a tree again. Now he will break it, i.e. making some kind of quick jump over so as not to crawl up the ladder. And what happened? Alright, I have 1 guy left on the surface over there, and he's doing nothing. Our plate has expanded, and the 3rd guy fell to the other 2. Let's place a spring so they can climb out. Wait, stop. Why is it on the right? Level up. Something fell for us. Whoa, how everything has grown. From a small bowl, it turned into some kind of jug. They put a flower in the jug. All that's left for us is to put this thing in the bowl. Pipe. The pipe becomes... Listen, some kind of evolution happened here. Even glass appeared. An additional person appeared who put a picture on the fire. He exploded, but it's a disaster. Is that it? Oh, wait, no way. I thought we were losing, but no, we can keep developing this planet. We need the highest level of people, more subscribers. The channel becomes bigger and stronger, guys. I'm here for you. I will make all the best conditions. Just please subscribe to the channel. Button below. Click on that subscribe button. It's right there. Just click. Please press in short. We are asked to start over. We just got a cube and now let's think. Listen, well, in my opinion, water did not work at all. It's fine, but on the other hand, I now understand that as soon as the water flows here, we need to put a pipe. Wait, what? We started with water, so let's start with water again. Now let's add a person who should dig it all up logically, so this is all good. We must I guess. Remember, now we have this little fountain it took off. I don't remember how we made it, so it dug up all this stuff. I think we need to plant trees now. Yes, the second person appears and some serious digging begins. Great. Now, after the water starts to flow, we need to place the pipe. Oh, wait, but why is the pipe? Why is it on top? This is nonsense. Something has already gone wrong. It seems like some kind of nonsense. But fire will be our last resort. We don't really need springs either. Not need. Because of the pipe, they seem like they haven't evolved to the pipe yet. I didn't get why this thing we're placing it now, and why it goes to level 7 at the end. Oh, whoa, stop! The pipe is also upgraded, so with each choice of such resolutions, we level up. But now that this guy is alone, it's like it's not good. But our pipe is upgraded, but into the pipe it doesn't. Nobody hits. When this thing grows, the pipe will, I understand, connect, and basically, it's already not bad. Listen, let's work with fire now. Let's add fire. All of this is growing. Our dish is also sprouting. Let's speed it all up. Listen, at this stage, we were at this stage in principle, nothing happened. Bone. Bone? Well, let's give you a bone. I don't know. Okay, level up, but it's still not the maximum level up. Dude keeps bumping this tree, and what does it give us? Seems like nothing useful. And so the spring will give us... In fact, it is not recorded. Listen, if the ball fell on a spring, it would be some kind of interaction, but since there's no interaction, I don't even know. But let's throw the ball anyway. The ball spawns here. Great. I don't understand what it does, but we have just one left. It's this jug. We place it, but it doesn't change. He has no level, and we completed this level really badly, just awful. We inflated that plate again and found trees. That's it not. Wait, what if we immediately settle a person so that they can start moving on this planet right away? Like as soon as I, for example, place... Fire. He has to interact with it somehow. No? Still no. Before fire, water should probably come first. Let's place a person first, and now let's add water. I think it should start digging right away. Well, no, it can dig through at any moment. In fact, we can add water at any moment. I was thinking of placing trees now, but for trees to appear here, greenery is needed. No, how about starting with the bone? So let it just evolve with each level. Dude and water, let's go. Let's do it this way. So he starts digging all this out, gets the water, and now we need to plant trees so they have time to grow. Here we get a level up. They will dig it all well. Everything is greened up. I don't understand when the fire is needed, but let's put this jug so that he leveled up. Now what? They keep digging this thing. Don't forget to put the plate, which then transforms. Now you see the picture is already normal. The flower is thrown in. I don't know when to add fire. Well, in any case, I think we need to place the pipe first so that it has time to evolve. Now we have a jug that cooks something. Oh, wait. What is this? This pit was already here, and then, well, I don't know. A ball, but I don't understand what to do with this ball. The ball needs to go into the pipe in any way. Anyway, no matter how, come on, let's keep the fire going till the end. The spring gives us nothing, only the left side is clutching. Basically nothing more, and we set the fire, another level up appears. They throw it on the fire, and this jug is exploding, am I right? No, they are digging something. Wait a minute. Oh, we maxed out the people. By the way, this hasn't happened before. We got a dish, and yet the forests still grow to the maximum. But level 3 water. The bone hasn't moved. Honestly, I don't understand at all where to start developing this cube. But let's start with trees. Trees can be planted here. No, beautiful. Oh, let you smile. All right, now let's add a person, okay? Trees and people, that's all. Okay. Now we add water. Dig it all up. Trees don't grow without water. It's already wrong. Let's start. Oh my god, my head is exploding, guys. I don't know how to pass this. This is just some tough psychedelic stuff. Well, no, everything should, I think, start anyway with what? Then... the person who is digging it all up, and now the main thing is not to mess up now. It's important not to mess up. You see, we place a bone, then people should do something. They dig water channels, everything gets green. We place trees in any case, then we probably should place a pipe. Or people. Excellent. Plate. Now the pipe will become semicircular. Here we can place the ball. Ball. They have leveled up even more. Medro. Why a bucket? Itaiki. I think the ball should fall onto the springs thanks to this plate. Well, let's put the bucket. The springs don't make sense right now. It's already wrong. Yes, they are going away wrong again. In that direction. Well, even if we put the fire, wait until the end. No, they upgraded, but it's all nonsense. These springs are useless to us. But look, at the very end of the game, we have a pit. See it? There it is. I don't know why, for what, and for what, but it's needed for some reason. Damn, we need people. We need people anyway. The first person should appear, I suspect. And if we put the phone down now... Let's place it in the water now. The pipe falls, then we place the ball, which goes here. The guy levels up in the water. Spend it. Now, don't forget about the greenery, so to speak, so the trees grow. By the way, look, now trees don't grow here, or did they reach here? Trees didn't grow either. Oh yeah, you see, trees don't grow here anymore. Maybe it means something. Well, let's add the bone now. It won't hurt us in any case. Somehow they didn't start digging differently. Plate, yes, let's go. Maybe now the guy will do something with the plate. He is next to it. Damn. No, he still breaks this tree. I don't know why. Why are you doing this? What do we have left? What do we have left? A jug that gave nothing. Well, yes, we still come to roughly the same scenario, right? So our level up is all, of course, beautiful, all, of course, wonderful. The guy is here and there, planting a flower, but the springs remain. So what's the point? We need to figure out how to interact with the springs to understand what the springs do on the side. In the end, we got the maximum. Only the dish is at level. The dish itself is developing quite well. Look, we need the first person anyway, because every subsequent action multiplies the people, and this is very important. So now, look. We put it in the water, we have 2 people now. Wonderful after that, after the greening. We place the bone, it doesn't depend on greening, but when everything turns green, we place the trees here. Trees appear, now we need to place the pipe. Look, we place the pipe and it will grow with the tree. Draw lots. Will it ever grow? Will it be placed there? Yeah. Well, let's make a fire then, because usually it's of a low level for us, and now when they haven't grown at all. Grown. Bucket. Yeah, let's put a bucket. Let's wait. The pipe, yes, and we will have space. No, we can't place the ball now. Now, the plate. Well, the plate won't be the 8th. Level 100%, they set it up and blew it up. Well, let's say already some kind of different configuration. Something, so we have some kind of pipe coming out. Down, and now if the spring, quiet. She appeared on the right. It hasn't happened. Damn, oh man, this is so hard. This puzzle is incredible. But as I understand, we still need to level up the bone in advance so that we, you were motivated to dig down there. You understand? Damn, then I don't know. Well, then we can start with the jug. Why not? Let's add a person now. Maybe the person will immediately, no, he does not interact with the jug. He interacts specifically with water. But before putting water, you had to put, a bone. Although, why not if we plant trees now? Because in any case, green, our top part of the earth, they are digging something. Well, they dig, by the way, differently. Just a little bit more. We need a plate. Now we put the costume. But then the pipe appears too late. It won't have time to develop. Let's just put the pipe now, damn it. We need one more buddy to throw here, meaning we can only put springs in place. Do it like this and now add the ball. But it doesn't help because the pipe won't come out from here. We ran the pipe here, but it won't come out from here. So all the guys are busy with nonsense. This wasn't here. Stop. Level up. And he threw the tree there. He took the fire going down. Stop. That wasn't there. They really settled this mountain. I didn't know it could be. Well, I just first time playing. Level 7 fire, level 3 pipe, which is very low. Oh, level 1 sword, so you can level up the ball too. Look, let me tell you. Come on. Speak for what? Next, a person walks. Picture. The operator suggests some strange movements. How to deliver fire. Okay, let's listen. Well, and explain why. So our dude isn't reproducing, you understand? Until he digs up water, he won't call for another one. Ignore it, so they don't have any greenery. Sorry, Derillo though. And what do we have? Well, what? What's happening at all? Now. Spring tube and ball. Well, I see it, I passed. Look, I am pressing the ball now, and it is falling off. Good luck. Thanks for the help, operator. I finished the game. Speaks. Plate. So the plate is always the maximum. Oh my brain is just melting. Wait, so the pipe and the bowl, they must somehow interact quite early with each other. Maybe fire should be last. Let's add. Let's start with the person, let's start with the water. He's gonna dig all this up now. Before that, let's put, pipe, go, dig. Well, we don't care about this tree fire. You said last in line. Well, by last in line, I meant in this line. The jug that needs to develop. See, the pipe isn't developing. And why isn't it developing? Because the trees are in the way. Well, yeah, the pipe in general. And Sasquatty. The pipe is completely blocked, and I already forgot about the plate. Also, it's extinguishing our fire, and because of that, he can't bring the torch into the cave. Hold on. Stop! How heavy! We need to get fire! Fire and torch and passages we need. And trees before that. Wait, can I at least take a quick look? Wait, at least see how people start. Yeah. Here I have the answers. I'll go little by little. Start to install fire. Start with a person. Place one person on top of the cube. For now, nothing special will happen. Stop. They're starting with a person, so I was right. What next? What are they doing? I'm just curious. Add water. All we know that man should be first, then comes water. Let's keep thinking. Let's just think a bit and strain our brains. It's logical because trees are good for greening, but that's super... Makes sense. Will the pipe fit now? Will it start growing now? It's gonna grow now, so we will place it. The pipe is good. About the plate, yes, we must not forget. We'll put the plate exactly. The pipe will break. Well, now we add maybe a balloon. No, fire. All right, let's add fire. We already have the ability to burn the tree. No. For some reason, it doesn't hover over the tree because it has nowhere to throw it. We don't have a jug. Let's add the jug. Great, everything has grown well so far. Well, it hasn't changed much, but we have a bone in reserve that doesn't really affect anything, but it allows us to develop our pot and still keep the fire. So now the most important thing, a hollow kiwi ball. And the pipe, why doesn't the pipe? Well, damn no, this is just, it doesn't work. Well, here we have max level here, and here we have level 0, it's sad. And level 0 pitcher because we break them. So people are stupid. They just break my pitcher and fire. So they need to give somehow need to choose at the moment. You see, okay, we add a person, we know that. Now we add water, we know that too. Now we add a plant because it's logical. It makes perfect sense. Do you understand? Well, we haven't placed the pot after this, but maybe it will grow to some incredible scale. Okay, we placed the pot. That's it. Upgrading digging, just like in Minecraft. You know, a spawn giveaway is happening right now, so relax. It's logical to operator. Yeah, it should grow. See, it rises with the trees. On the replay, check it out, guys. So look, the pot keeps developing. It's standing there, and something is happening with it. Thank God it hasn't been broken by those dimwits yet. The yellow pot should develop now. We can put the fire, so it somehow cooks on it. Oh yes, look, something is boiling. Stop, calm down. Calm down, stop, and it doesn't break because it's a level 1 fire. It's still very weak. This is wonderful. So need to think, guys. Gather up. We have played a ball of spring and wait, this is the first time we have reached the point where our pot did not break because the level 1 fire cannot explode it. Ooh, the pot and the pit are upgraded. Stop now. Just focus. And now we're thinking of placing the plate, but the plate can develop anytime, no matter what. And we forgot about the ball. Wait, or hold on. Need to think. Head, think. Oh, he welded the wood and brought the fire there. Thanks. The universe is evolving. Now we have two options. We can place the ball. If we place the ball, then it makes no sense because the ball should be a pipe. To be continued. Here in the springs are set early for us. We should put the bone anyway. Calmly, we have a tube now where we can send our ball if needed. Oh la 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 la, what to do? Oh la la la, what's happening? Right now, logically, it's too early for the ball. Let's wait for the pipe to develop. Let's put the springs. Do they go here? Whoa! Wait, what's this beauty? Wait, what's happening? Did they dig up some head with it? Guys are down below. One guy ran somewhere, hit a tree, got some food, and where did he? It brews up. Level up happens even for the pitcher. The pitcher explodes, gives off something yellow, and now now only the ball remains, meaning we have tamed fire, tamed water, tamed food. I don't know. Well, the ball that will jump here, roll, and hit the springs, then jump here. Well, that's the last option. Yeah, it's all connected now. And what? What's happening? Stop! The guy took the yellow thing and dropped it. He drowned, leveled up, everything turned gold. For some reason we have it. Some kind of mushrooms. A guy took a bone and gilded it. What's happening? What kind of craziness is this? Oh, what is this? And they have a house with an elevator. They're rolling in balls. Hit the ball, it rolled, now something will pop out. 1, 2, 3, yes, it will be you. Oh, stop. What? Congratulations, the head is on the blogger. The head, guys. What's with that Chinese puzzle? So easy, and this infinitely you see happens. That is, we made a looped life. We created a perfect planet, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This was Clinton News. Bye, everyone. Say.